So for the second problem, the equation was x minus 1 squared, x plus 3, and x minus 3 is less than 0. And I've already done all of the parts. I'm just going to explain it as I did it so it doesn't take as long. Since it was already set to 0, the second thing that I did was I just separated it into different parts, like different cases that we could solve by. And I have x minus 1 squared and x plus 3 is less than 0, and then x minus 3 is greater than 0, and then x minus 1 squared and x plus 3 is greater than 0, and x minus 3 is less than 0. And then for each of those, you need to solve each inequality. So for the first one, for x minus 1 squared and x plus 3 is less than 0, I got x equals negative infinity to negative 3, both with parentheses. And then for x minus 3 is greater than 0, I have x is greater than 0. And then for x minus 1 squared and x plus 3 is greater than 0, I have x equals negative 3, negative 1, parentheses around both of those, union 1 to positive infinity. And for the very last one, x minus 3 is less than 0, I have x is less than 3. So after you solve each of those inequalities, you need to find the intersection, which I did, and then I plugged in and looked at the graph. And I have, okay, for that one it was, okay, so negative 3 to negative 1, parentheses around both, union 1, or union parenthesis 1 comma 3 parenthesis. So after I found the intersection, the last thing that I did was I found the union, and that was the same. It was x minus 3, x equals parenthesis negative 3 comma 1 parenthesis union parenthesis 1 comma 3 parenthesis. And that actually is the solution. In interval notation, it's parenthesis negative 3 comma 1 parenthesis union parenthesis 1 comma 3. And I'm just going to circle that.